Owere n'ụzọ anya ọbịa mana onye ya nwanne ya so uje jila atụla ya kemara. Owere n'ụzọ ije anya ọbịa mana onye ya nwanne ya so uje jila atụla ya kemara. Uje jila atụla ya kemara. Uje jila atụla ya kemara. Hello everyone. Anyị jego Owerri taa. Anyị na-eje Owerri. Taa bụ Owerri soup, Ofe Owerri. Okay? Today we'll be preparing the rich man soup. Onye na-eji ego na-eri Ofe Owerri. Onye na-eji ego na-eri Ofe Owerri. Onye na-eji ego na-eri Ofe Owerri. I don't know. Guys, let's start cooking. Okay guys, welcome back to another episode. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are preparing Ofe Owerri. Ofe Owerri. So guys, I want to thank all of you that keep coming back. If it's your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to our channel and enjoy. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Okay guys, here are my ingredients. I have here dry fish. I have beef here. I have stockfish. I soaked it overnight, so I'm going to be cooking it together with the beef. I have snail, well washed. Mackerel, roasted mackerel. I have Scotch bonnet pepper, Cameroon pepper, uziza seed. I grinded it, and I have seasoning cube, ogiri, grinded crayfish, salt to taste. I have here ukazi. So here is baby spinach. I don't have fresh oha or ora leaf. So this is what I can lay my hand on. When the desirable is not available, the available becomes desirable. So here I have my ede. Yeah. Now we will start by cooking our ede and the protein. So in my pot here, I'm going to add the cocoyam. I have already washed it. I'm going to just add water and start cooking. Yeah. And now cover it to cook. So over here I will add my protein, beef. Now I'm going to add the stockfish. Then I'll wash this with hot water and add. Now I'm adding the dry fish, salt, so I'm adding seasoning cube, now I'm going to mix it and cover it to cook. So let's check on our meat. Okay, it's cooking. I'm going to add water now, but first I'm going to remove this because I don't want it to scatter in the soup. Yeah, it's soft now. Now I'm adding the snail. Okay, I'm going to give it a quick mix. And add a little water. At this point, we're going to check on our cocoyam. Okay. The cocoyam is ready. I'm going to sieve it and blend it. So I'm going to add the Cameroon pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper and uziza seed. Then add the crayfish. Okay, I'm going to add my oil here. I like to blend the cocoyam and oil together. Then add water and blend. Oh, the aroma of uziza and the snail. Oh my days, it's coming together. The aroma is all over my kitchen. So here is our cocoyam. I'm going to pour it in. Ooh, it makes the color beautiful. Yeah, the kaku. So good. So I'm going to add the remaining water and cover it to cook. Okay guys, our soup is doing well. As you can see, it's bubbling. So that it will just melt immediately. Let me help it. So I've just added the ogiri. Look at that. I love the consistency. Oh, so now I'm going to add the smoked mackerel and then my stockfish. I'm going to remove the bone. Yeah, just add it. I'm going to remove this bone. Good. So at this point I will test if I need to add more seasoning cube. Let me test. Okay, I need to add half of this because I used to in cooking my my protein. I will just add this, half of it, and then cover it to cook more 3 to 5 minutes before adding the ukazi and the spinach, so that the ogiri will just melt inside and you know what I mean. So okay, after 5 minutes we are going to add our ukazi leaf. Look at that. I love the consistency. The consistency of this soup is giving me life. Look at that. Look at the snail. The aroma. The aroma is everywhere. The uziza seed. If you have fresh one, it's more better. But the adding of uziza, guys. So at this point, I'll add the spinach. Our soup is almost ready, guys. Ready. If you have ora, oha, I na boy, I jack boy oha. Oha kaina boy. Inwe fresh oha, good and fine. But if you don't have oha, don't be intimidated. Just go ahead and cook your Owerri soup. Ofe Owerri. Okay? This soup is on point. Very, very on point. I love the consistency. Guys, the consistency is superb. Superb. So, I'm not gonna add all. Just a tiny bit more. And that's it. If you have watched till this point, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please do well to subscribe to this beautiful and amazing family. Okay? You will never regret. You will never regret subscribing to this channel. Okay, our soup is ready. Let's taste for salt and oh my god. This type of soup, chaya in the morning, you get this swallow and make breakfast. You get this swallow and make breakfast. Trust me, I'm not lying here. So thank you for watching. I love you all as always. Always be positive. Love from here and Merry Christmas. Stay safe and stay positive. Bye.